Union Minister and BJP Neta Narayan Rane has been detained by the police. That's the breaking news coming in at this point of time. 4 FIRs have been registered against Rane for his comment on slapping Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray for his alleged ignorance of the year of India's independence. Shiv Sena and BJP workers clash in Mumbai and in Nasik. Union Minister and BJP Neta Narayan Rane has been detained by the police. That's the big breaking news coming in at this point of time. There are 4 FIRs registered against Rane.
अरे आपको अटक करना ठीक है, लेकिन उसका कागज तो दिखाओ, अटक वारंट तो दिखाओ। अभी हमने उनको जो पेपर्स दिए हैं उसमें कोर्ट के इसमें भी लिखा है कि प्रोटोकॉल, यू हैव टू मेंटेन द प्रोटोकॉल। अगर आप अटक वारंट दिखाते थे है तो हम सब कार्यकर्ता आपके गाड़ी में बैठ के पुलिस स्टेशन आने को तैयार है। ये कायदे का राज है। अटक वॉरंट नाही, तरी तुमच्या समोर
स्थानाबद्ध करण्याचा प्रयत्न काही सुरू आहे इथेच।
येस, आम्ही त्यांना सांगितलं, अबे मी तुमच्या माध्यमातून सांगतो, आम्हाला नाही दाखवलं तरी चालेल, महाराष्ट्राला तर दाखवा की ह्या अटक वॉरंट आहे, ह्या अटक वॉरंट मध्ये अमुक अमुक लिहिलं, आम्हीच गाडीत बसून आम्हीच जायला तयार आहोत। काहीच दाखवत नाही, ते येतात। मी त्यांना प्रश्न विचारले, ते सगळेच बाहेर होते। 5 मिनिट में हमको बोला है, 5 मिनिट। अरे व्हाट इज दिस 5 मिनिट?
Alright, Divyesh is now joining us live for the latest. Divyesh, this is a comment made by Narayan Rane saying slap Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. On the back of this, there are 4 FIRs that have been registered. He's detained at the moment, and of course there will be a big political clash between the BJP and Shiv Sena breaking out. We're seeing those visuals coming on our screens as well. What's going on right there in Maharashtra at the moment? Give us a complete sense of what really transpired and give our viewers a context to the story that is breaking on air right now.
Chaiti, right now we've just learned from our sources that Narayan Rane has been detained by a police team in near Ratnagiri, near Chiplun in Ratnagiri. Police team from Nashik was on their way to arrest Narayan Rane in the case registered last evening against Narayan Rane by a Shiv Sena worker regarding his statement issued against Uddhav Thackeray, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Following this, 2 FIRs were also registered at Mahad in Raigad district, 1 FIR at Chaturshungi police station in Pune. The Nashik police team, as per the orders issued by Commissioner of Police Deepak Pandey, proceeded towards Chiplun this morning. And what we've learned just now from our sources in Chiplun, that Narayan Rane has been detained and he could be produced shortly in at the Ratnagiri court. As of now, the police team has just reached there and Narayan Rane has been placed under detention. That is what we've learned. Further, the procedure of a formal arrest of Narayan Rane is being carried out by the police team. The Nashik police team is being helped by the Ratnagiri police team. As we reported earlier that Deepak Pandey, the police commissioner of Nashik, was constantly in touch with officials of the Ratnagiri police. He had spoken to the Superintendent of Police Ratnagiri as well to help the Nashik police team and take Narayan Rane into custody and hand them over to the Nashik police team so that they could place Narayan
I'm coming back to you. Hold on right there, because I want to know the BJP's official stance on this comment made by Narayan Rane, but listen to a reaction coming in.
आम्हाला काय फाशी द्यायची ती द्या ना। आमचं काय म्हणणं आहे, आम्हाला फाशी द्या, आम्हाला काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही, पण कायद्याने तर द्या।
He's saying that give me, hang me, but I don't have a problem with that.
को बोल के बलजबरी उनको वो पुलिस बुला के उनको जबर, अरे व्हाट इज दिस?
जटार सर,
ये सरकार है कि गुंडाराज है?
Is this the government or is this hooliganism?
बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे छोड़ो, आपके सामने भी एसपी आके दिखाओ एक कागज कि राणे साहब के नाम से अटक वारंट लिखा है। यहाँ के एसपी साहब है, यहाँ स्थानिक पुलिस स्टेशन का अटक वारंट कुछ तो होगा उनके पास। आप दिखाओ, हम गाड़ी में जाके बैठने के लिए तैयार है। हमारा कुछ प्रॉब्लेम ही नहीं है।
अटक वारंट तर इथून पुढची यात्रा आता सुरू होईल
बघा, यात्रा होणार, आम्ही आमचे प्रयत्न चालू आहेत।
यात्रा will happen.
यात्रा होणार, लक्षात ठेवा।
Remember that yatra is going to happen.
महाराष्ट्रातल्या जनतेवर एवढंच बोलायचंय की कायद्याचं राज्य आहे बाबांनो, कायद्याने करा, तुम्ही द्या त्यांना, ऑनरेबल आहेत।
Follow the due process of the law is what we want to say.
की बाबा दादा हे तुमचं अटक वॉरंट आहे, तुम्ही गाडीत जाऊन बसा, हात जोडा, ते यायला
Just say that this is your warrant, go and sit in the car.
प्रॉब्लेम ही नाही,
There is no problem with that. But follow the due course of the law.
सब कुछ है, लेकिन ये हा सगळ्यांशी झालेला आहे, सगळ्या सबके साथ बात हो गई है, सबका।
He's saying that he's spoken to everybody.
दिखाएगा, ये सरकार कागज पे बिलीव ही नहीं करती है। अरे 100 करोड़ लाटने वाले को अटक नहीं होती है, वो घूम रहे हैं।
केंद्र सरकारने काय हस्तक्षेप केलाय का सर,
अरे
केंद्र सरकारने काय
बात चालू है सरकार से भी। देखो हमारा केंद्र सरकार से बात चालू है, हमारा कोर्ट से बात चालू है। मुझे इतना ही है, मेरी विनती हाथ जोड़ के इतनी है महाराष्ट्र से, महाराष्ट्र ये कायदे का राज है, सरकार किसका भी हो कायदा कायदा है। एसपी साहब ने एक कागज अपना जो ऑर्डर है उनको दिखाए, उनकी साइन ले ले कि बाबा ये ऑर्डर। मुझे लगता है हर एक को नोटिस तो देते हैं ना हम लोग, कौन सा भी गुना हुआ तो उसको देते हैं की बाबा ये आपका नोटीस है, हमको घर में आना है, आपको घर का इन्क्वायरी। बरोबर आहे का चुकलं माझं? एक साधी हे द्या, ऑर्डरची कॉपी द्या, सही घ्या साहेबांची, साहेब स्वतः येऊन
कॉपी दो, गिव मी अ कॉपी ऑफ
प्रॉब्लेमच नाही ना।
साहेब तुम्हाला माध्यमांचा
नकार दिलेला आहे, या तातडीनं सुनावणीला देखील हायकोर्टानं नकार दिला.
माझं काय म्हणणं आहे की हायकोर्टामध्ये आणि अँटिसिपेटर साठी गेलेलो आहे, बरोबर आहे।
he has
आता
said that he has,
anticipator
put in
यांचं जे
a
आता warrant आहे,
anticipatory
आम्ही
bail
आमचं
application
करतोय,
in the High
आम्हाला
Court.
जाऊ शकत नाही कोर्ट, आम्हाला कोर्ट ऑफ लॉचे सगळे दरवाजे मोकळे आहेत। आम्ही आमचं माझी आहे ना एवढी
We will follow the due process of the court of
दो
law.
बात की एक बात, अटक वारंट दिखाओ, हम सब गाड़ी में आके बैठ के पुलिस स्टेशन या जेल में या फांसी जाने के लिए तैयार है।
गटार साहेब आम्हाला सांगा तुम्ही, आम्ही हे वार्तांकन करायचं की नाही करायचं? आणि समर्थकांनी वार्तांकन
नाही,
करत असताना
चुकून
2 खुर्च्या फेकल्या.
चुकून झालं बाबा, मी त्यांच्या वतीने माफी मागतो, तुझे पाय
He has apologized on behalf of Narayan Rane and said that yes, this is a mistake. I'm sorry. This is a mistake that has been committed by Narayan Rane, and I profusely apologize for it.
बघा आजच्या एकूण या सगळ्या रॅलीमध्ये हात जोडून मीच काम करतोय की नाही सांगा मला? सगळ्यांना आवडतोय, सैनिकांना आवडतोय, यांना आवडतोय। माझी एवढीच म्हणणं आहे, ज्यांचं काम ज्यांना त्यांना करू द्या, कायद्याची जर अडचण आहे तर एक नोटीस त्यांना द्या।
I'm just saying one thing, that just work on the due process of the law. Give us the notice. They will go and sit in the car. He will go and sit in the
अटक
car.
वॉरंटच नाही तर ताब्यात घेतील कुठून? त्यांचा आग्रह चाललेला, त्यांच्यावर दबाव आहे। आता हा कोणाचा दबाव आहे ते तुम्ही त्यांनाच विचारा।
This is political pressure. This is political pressure, is what he says.
यांची परिस्थिती कशी आहे? नारायण राणे यांची तब्येत काय बिघडली आहे?
त्यांना जरा डॉक्टर आले, चेक कराय बीपी आणि त्यांचं शुगर वाढलेली आहे।
Narayan Rane's health is not doing okay. He's got high blood pressure, sugar, sorry,
अभी
and the doctor is reviewing his condition.
खराब हो गई तो हॉस्पिटल में
हे डॉक्टर खासगी आहेत का सरकारी डॉक्टर?
नाही सरकारी।
सरकारी डॉक्टर.
He's getting treated by a government doctor.
एवढंच विचारा।
Okay, that was Narayan Rane's supporter, Divyesh. I was translating his Marathi for our viewers as well. All that he says is that he apologizes on behalf of Narayan Rane. He says that tell the government to follow the due process of the law. He even went on to say that Narayan Rane's health is not in a good shape and there is a government doctor working on it. All right. Outside of all of these reactions that are coming in, I want to come back to you on the main story at this point of time. What is the BJP stance on Narayan Rane? Has the Bharatiya Janata Party distanced themselves from this comment made by Narayan Rane, where he has not treated the Chief Minister with respect and gone ahead and said, I want to slap the Chief Minister?
Jyoti, Devendra Fadnavis a while ago, while speaking to media persons, he clearly stated that they do not support the statement, they do not stand by the statement of Narayan Rane against the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. But he also condemned the action that is being taken by Shiv Sena supporters, the attack that is happening on BJP supporters, the attacks that are happening on BJP offices. That is being condemned by BJP workers, though they do not stand by the statement issued, statement by Narayan Rane that he made yesterday at his Jan Ashirwad rally, Jan Ashirwad Yatra in Raigad district of Maharashtra against Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. But they also condemned the attacks that have been going on. This morning we saw that near the residence of Narayan Rane at Juhu in Mumbai, there was a major clash between Shiv Sena and BJP workers. Similar clashes have been reported in Thane district of Maharashtra, in Kolhapur district of Maharashtra, in Jalgaon, in Amravati and various other places across Maharashtra. Similar incidents have been witnessed. Police officials have been deployed at all the major places in all the major districts of Maharashtra. Wherever clashes have been reported, heavy police presence is seen in Mumbai and nearby satellite cities like Thane, Navi Mumbai and other areas. Other than that,
just look at
there
those
were
visuals that are
incidents of
coming in
stone
right
pelting
there,
reported
Divyesh.
from Pune and
While
Sangli.
Narayan Rane has made this inappropriate comment disrespecting the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, both the party workers, whether it is the Bharatiya Janata Party or Shiv Sena party workers, are behaving like hooligans on the street. This is the kind of clashes that are breaking out between both these political parties. And isn't the party high command of both the parties asking these supporters to show some sort of a restraint on ground?
Cheti, as of now, it's a war of words that has been going on between both the parties. There are statements that have been made by a few Shiv Sena workers, that are made from local leaders of Shiv Sena, while BJP, senior leaders of BJP from Maharashtra have come on record and have made their comments regarding whatever is happening since morning, whatever has been happening since last evening, the cases that are being lodged against Narayan Rane in connection with the statement that he had made. Devendra Fadnavis also went on to say that the statement that he made, he did not support that statement, but the police action is not warranted in this manner. For police action that has been initiated, the police cases that are being filed against Narayan Rane are not warranted, and that is why he also went on to say that if Shiv Sena workers go on
That's
to
what
attack,
Narayan Rane's aide also
like
said,
this,
that there
he
is no
mentioned
arrest
that
warrant issued, and they said that show us the arrest warrant and we are willing to comply by the law of the land, and that is a big problem at the moment. We'll get more political reactions on this too. Divyesh, I'd request you to stay on with us. This is our top focus right there. Rane detained in Maharashtra. In fact, let's dip in once to show our viewers what Narayan Rane had said that led to this entire showdown in Maharashtra, so that our viewers get a context of what's going on right there.
बोलायचा अधिकार तरी आहे का? बाजूला म्हणा एखादा सेक्रेटरी ठेव आणि विचार बोल, त्याविषयी नाही काय. किती वर्ष आली देशाला संतुलन? हिरक महोत्सव काय हे असतो तर कानाखाली चढवली. हे काय देशाचं तुम्हाला स्वातंत्र्य दिनाची माहिती नसावी? सांगा मला, किती चीड येणारी गोष्ट.
Getting some political reactions coming on back of this top story. Rane is going to be produced in court shortly. This is the slap chief minister showdown. Narayan Rane going on to say he wants to slap the chief minister of Maharashtra on the back of all of this. This is the hooliganism that has broken out on the streets as well between the two parties, BJP and Shiv Sena. Let's listen in to what the other political parties have to say. While on one side you've got the BJP that has distanced itself from Rane's comments, is questioning the Maharashtra government action against the union minister, saying that there should be rule of the law and they should follow the law of the land, and this is not Taliban.
आपको किसी ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है क्या मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर हमला करने का? तो महाराष्ट्र में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन जो है वो कानून का राज चलता है महाराष्ट्र में. आप हमारे स्कूल से ही बाहर निकले हो, ये ओरिजिनल स्कूल हमारा है. अभी हमारे हाथ कानून से बंधे हैं क्योंकि हमारी सरकार है. 2 बार हमने आपको पराजित किया है चुनाव में, विधानसभा में, लोकसभा में. क्या आपकी इज्जत है महाराष्ट्र में? सबको मालूम है. लेकिन वो बीजेपी वाले आपके कंधे पर बंदूक रखकर हमारे ऊपर निशाना साधते हो. करिए, कितना भी करिए.
मुख्यमंत्री जी के बारे में जो टिप्पणी की, हम उसका समर्थन नहीं करते, किंतु इस वक्तव्य के बाद जिस प्रकार से पुलिस का राज चलाने का प्रयास सरकार की ओर से किया जा रहा है, मैं स्पष्ट रूप से कहता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी वक्तव्य का समर्थन नहीं करेगी, पर व्यक्ति का समर्थन पूरे तरीके से करेगी. भारतीय जनता पार्टी नारायण राव जी राणे इनके पीछे पूरी ताकत से खड़ी रहेगी.
जिस तरह से बंगाल में हिंसक वातावरण बनाया गया राणे जी के जरिए, महाराष्ट्र में वही हालात बनाने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी करना चाहती है. हम फिर से कहते हैं कि लोग ये न समझे कि वे कानून से बड़े हो गए हैं. निश्चित रूप से कानूनी कार्रवाई होगी.
All right, Divyesh is now joining us for the very latest. Divyesh, it seems like the biggest objection at this point of time as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned. One side, Bharatiya Janata Party has distanced itself from what Narayan Rane has said. So they don't stand by Narayan Rane's statement. But Rane's supporters saying that where is the arrest warrant? You want to arrest him, show us the arrest warrant and we shall comply.
Exactly, Cheti. Shiv Sena Rane supporters present there in Chiplun, Ratnagiri, asked the Ratnagiri SP and his officials that whether they have a arrest warrant against Rane to place him under arrest. A team headed by the SP of Ratnagiri had reached the location where Rane was present, after which this demand was made by Rane's supporters. Meanwhile, we've also learned that the SP Ratnagiri contacted the Guardian Minister Anil Parab and spoke to him, after which Anil Parab just issued statement and just spoke to media persons and said that he has spoken to the Director General of Police and has
what Anil Parab has to say on this incident. If you could just tell us and encapsulate what Anil Parab said.
Anil Parab just said that he has spoken to the Director General of Police and inquired him about the procedure that needs to be followed to place Narayan Rane under arrest, as supporters of Rane present in Chiplun, Ratnagiri have asked for an arrest warrant from Ratnagiri SP. Remember, there is no case registered at Ratnagiri against Narayan Rane. There are 4 cases, 2 of which are in Mahad, Raigad district, 1 in Pune and 1 in Nashik. A police team from Nashik has already left, which is yet to reach Ratnagiri Chiplun, but Nashik police has been in touch with the Ratnagiri police, and as we had earlier reported that Nashik police commissioner had spoken to SP Ratnagiri and had asked him
Abhishek
to take
Srivastava,
Rane
senior
into custody,
BJP leader,
and
is now joining us for a first-up reaction on the story that is breaking on India Today. Abhishek, I appreciate you taking the time out and joining us on this broadcast. I want to understand from you, as the Bharatiya Janata Party, are you distancing yourself from this comment made by Narayan Rane, or do you stand by it? That's my first question.
No, my only thing I want to say this is what Mr. Narayan Rane has said. We may not support it, but we stand with Narayan Rane. Let's not forget, when Devendra Fadnavis was Chief Minister of Maharashtra, he was attacked by Shiv Sena, though they were the ruling partners. And let's not forget that Devendra Fadnavis' wife was also attacked.
No. So two wrongs do not make one right. I understand that you support Narayan Rane. My question now is on the supporter of Narayan Rane, who just said it right now. A little while back, we had that reaction with us saying that the Maharashtra government is not following the due process of the law and there is no arrest warrant. Is that right?
Absolutely. If you see, the case is on IT Act. And in the IT Act, first you have to give a notice and a summons to the accused. And then you can file an FIR and go and arrest. So you cannot just go straight, like the team from Nashik has come, team from Kalyan is going from different district. They're trying to arrest Mr. Narayan Rane. That's not the case. I don't think this is within the purview of the law. So what I'm trying to say, when you abuse Prime Minister of the country as a coalition partner when they were, and when you abuse the sitting Chief Minister of them and his wife, I'm sure you should be able to take. And this is absolutely illegal that they're trying to arrest Mr. Narayan Rane. He's a Union Cabinet Minister.
Yes, and in both the cases, like you mentioned, the comments are rather very inappropriate, and that is something that everybody understands. My question now here is, while you say that the BJP is distancing itself officially from the statement made by Narayan Rane, but standing by Narayan Rane, what does that mean? Would you like for Narayan Rane to apologize to the sitting Chief Minister?
No, there is no question of apologizing. I think it's a spur of a moment. I mean, if you are the Chief Minister of a state and you don't know the the history and the date, and you're asking somebody who's sitting behind you, and
no,
confirming.
But this is not just a regular criticism, right? This is him going on to say, "I want to slap the Chief Minister."
So then, like you said, the two wrongs doesn't make it right. Then we have a lot of lists that we can dig out and say what has happened in the past. But what I said initially, we don't identify with what Mr. Narayan Rane said, but we stand by him, not just now, but in future also.
I understand what you're trying to say. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for joining us with that reaction right